I had a student email me asking me 4 questions about AI for a research project, and I wanted to use this as an opportunity to cover some basics on using Consensus GPT. Consensus GPT is the #1 rated and used custom GPT inside the ChatGPT Plus interface. If you're inside the ChatGPT 4 interface, you can go to Explore GPTs, and you can search for it by name or just search for research. As you can see, it started to pop up. Here is the first question. I prompted the model to generate text in third-person paragraph form, highlighting key terms in bold, and to provide supporting research in APA format with verifiable links, and to generate a maximum token output, which it did generate a maximum token output, but that's okay. Since this model tries to generate unique text each time, I always bring up at least 2 chats, depending on the level of complexity and importance of the task, just to see which one words things better and as a way to make my research, my project, whatever I'm doing, more comprehensive. And this also helps because sometimes, even though this research GPT is connected to an academic database, it will still hallucinate. And for example, if some of these citations aren't highlighted or aren't real, or have a name like Jones or Johnson or something like Smith and Jones, it's kind of an indication it might be hallucination. So if one chat hallucinates some stuff and the other one doesn't, the quality of the other chat may be better. For some projects, I do even more. I'm doing 6 or 8 at a time for the project I'm on right now. But let's look through this. It answers the first question. Note that if I didn't ask it to generate in third-person paragraph form, it would generate in a bullet point list or numbered list. Pasted the second question in the same style format. Check these links to make sure they're real articles, which is why this custom GPT is so popular. And you can often go straight to the PDF if it's listed, or at least verify that it's a full text article. To conduct research ethically using this tool, this should just be seen as a preliminary step in research. After perusing these articles, which there were 4 questions total. So again, I went through each of the 4 questions. At the end, I had it provide all references listed in the chat and an APA formatted numbered list. To do this ethically, I would advise users to read the full article, read related articles, search for related articles in an academic database, because this will give you a kind of broad overview, but not very in-depth, because it often just reads and pulls information from the abstracts, but it's a way to quickly access research and get some insights and get a nice direction for the way your research project might go. And it's very good for getting interdisciplinary research results. Note that GPT-4o also has the internet search option now, so you can also experiment with running these same types of prompts, searching the internet. You can also ask it to try to find online research articles, but it'll mostly find online articles, which actually may be better if you're studying artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence advances so much more rapidly than academic research models can keep up with. Again, this is just the beginning step or stage in the process. You want to still use academic databases, traditional literature reviews, etc., but this is a great way to get started.